Good morning. Hey, today's a great day. The mornings are getting cooler here in the mountains of Colorado. That means Q4 is coming. Kids are about to go back to school, and you know what that means. Q4 is right around the corner, and it is Cheddar Black season, my friend. One of the most magical times of year. You get to be Santa Claus for thousands and millions of kids across the country and providing great products, toys, and clothing, and great inventory opportunities that we're going to give you in Cheddar Black. Before we get into the season though, this year we want to do something very special. We've taken some time to interview some of our clients. These are members of Cheddar Black that have been subscribed to the program for some 2, 3, 4, 5 years plus. That should tell you something about the reoccurring success that we're seeing happening inside the Cheddar Black community. But don't take our word for it. We want you to hear directly from them, hear their stories, hear what's working, hear how one member plans to make an extra $40,000 in profit this year, hear how another member saves 4 to 5 hours per day because of the Cheddar Black leads. Hear how another member saves 20 to 30 hours a week because of the Cheddar Black leads that we hand deliver to you on a silver platter. It's an awesome time of year. I love hearing your success stories, and I want you to watch this entire interview and this entire interview series. 2 reasons. One, because you're going to pick up on some gold nuggets, okay? These are tips and strategies that you won't find in other Amazon forums and groups. Our members like to be honest and give you the goods, okay? And number 2 is to program your mind for success, okay? When you see a little lady, an old lady who has grandchildren making more money than you on Amazon, hopefully it kind of kicks your rear end and says, hey, if she can do it, I can do it. Hopefully if you hear someone working a full-time job that's creating success, making an extra $20,000 in profit in Q4, hopefully if you hear them say it, then it'll help program you to believe that you can do it. Okay, that's a big part of success is your belief. And seeing other people create success just helps grease that wheel. So let's jump into the interviews. I'm Gabe Strom, co-founder of OA Cheddar. Let's go.